Yes.
So we are getting ready. We're finally ready. It's like an hour and a half, 2 hours later. But we're about to go. We're going to the mall.
Whose stuff is it? Keep that bag in there, but I need
We're about to go to the mall, and then we're gonna go car shopping because I really do need a car. So we came up in Macy's. I love Levi's, y'all, and these are like super cute. So we're in here trying to figure out what to do with these jeans. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, shopping for men is like the hardest thing in the world. Like, men swear that they're a lot more simple than we are, but they're not. Yeah, men's stuff is difficult. We know. We know.
Very bad.
Like me, I'm probably different than 95% of the women that people encounter. I don't like being in the store for too long. If I'm in there 15 minutes and I still don't have anything to buy, gots to go.
Goodbye.
I hate being in the store for too long. But we're at Macy's right now. And mall music makes me sleepy. I just got done telling my Snapchat that.
On my face. When you watch this clip.
Seriously.
Can't say that.
Yet we're still in Macy's. And you want to know something that always happens at the Macy's that I come to? No one's ever here. I'm gonna check myself out. Right. So guys, this is the, what is this? The C300 Mercedes-Benz two-tone interior. This is white. It's like a grayish in person. It almost looks white on the camera, but it's super cute.
I'm about to just get in my little, well, maybe I should sit, well, no, she got no legs too. Because I'm getting hungry and I gotta pee.
Oh my god, all of my vlog. The only thing is there's no sunroof. Nada. Alright y'all, so we pulled up to the this food place because we're all starving. We're hangry. Yeah. What's that? Somebody tell me what that is. I really don't understand. It's snowing. Stupid. And why is this so close to me? Why y'all want to be all up in my grill? Hey, back there with your braids.
Need to wipe that?
No.
Everybody in the car is super hungry. And we're the type of people, we don't wake up talking in the morning. It has to be gradual communication. It's just like it's one of these. It's like a, you know what I'm saying? And that's how we communicate the whole day until about 11. We don't do no good mornings.
Yeah. What is that?
Yeah. What are good morning? No, that's too much noise.
We talking afternoon.
Yeah, no one. Yeah, we're afternoon speakers.
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey. Happy birthdays.
Hey, yeah. I don't know why, but I'd be scared to be on the electronics at the pump.
Right.
I'd be scared.
That's bad.